In today's video, I'm going to teach you stop going over budget, how to manage project costs like a pro. ClickUp. We'll walk through setting up a ready-made project management framework in ClickUp so you can track budgets, actuals, and variances with confidence. By the end, you'll have a streamlined space that keeps your costs visible and under control. First, open ClickUp and head into your workspace. Starting from your home area or inbox is perfect. The goal is to put cost control at the center of your day-to-day, and that begins with organizing where your projects live. Next, choose the space where you want to manage your project costs and open the space settings. This is the control room for that part of your workspace. Pick the space your team actually uses so your budget data sits right alongside tasks, timelines, and updates. If you collaborate across departments, double check you're in the shared space everyone can access. Inside the space settings, look for templates and select Browse Templates. Templates are a shortcut to professional structure. Built-in lists, statuses, views, and often the custom fields you need for budget planning and cost tracking. Using a solid template helps you avoid missing critical pieces that later lead to overspending. Use the search bar to type Project Management, then review the available templates. Open the previews and scan for elements like budget, cost, time estimate, or variance. A good template will give you clear phases, standard statuses, and views like list, board, and Gantt that keep scope, schedule, and cost aligned. Choose the one that best matches your workflow and reporting needs. When you've found the right fit, click Use Template. Keep an eye on import options. Bringing in views, custom fields, and automations helps you start strong. If you're unsure, the default options are a safe choice and you can refine later. You'll see a confirmation to finalize where the template will be added. Confirm by clicking Use Template again. This applies the structure directly into your selected space, so everything is created in the right place without extra setup. With the template in place, refine the hierarchy and add automation. Adjust your space, folders, and lists to mirror your project phases. Rename items so budgets, tasks, and milestones read clearly. Add or tweak custom fields like planned budget, actual cost, and cost variance. Set simple automations to update statuses, roll up totals, or alert you when spend crosses a threshold. A quick cleanup here prevents confusion and keeps your numbers trustworthy. That's it. You've set up a cost-focused project framework in ClickUp, ready to keep your projects on time and on budget.